Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the latch assembly now. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorting the actuator. Safety first. Next, open the boot and carefully peel back the trunk lining using a trim tool so you can see the latch, striker, and actuator. Once visible, mark the relative position of the latch and linkage with a marker so you can return parts to the same alignment. Then remove the visible fasteners, holding the latch to free it for adjustment or replacement. Now focus on mechanical alignment and linkage integrity. With bolts loosened, shift the latch slightly fore or aft and side to side while closing the boot slowly to find the sweet spot where the striker seats smoothly without over-travel. Inspect the actuator rod and retaining clip. Replace any bent rods or worn clips to prevent failure. Once aligned, torque bolts to manufacturer spec and apply white lithium grease to the latch, striker, and pivot points to ensure reliable engagement and prevent corrosion that would finish by reassembling the trunk lining and reconnecting the negative battery terminal. Test the lock function through 10 full open/close cycles using the key fob, interior switch, and manual key to confirm consistent engagement. If the boot still won't stay latched, measure voltage at the actuator connector when commanding lock. No voltage indicates wiring or module issues, not the actuator. For mechanical sticking, smooth any sharp striker edges or add a thin shim until the latch captures reliably. Make sure to retest after each small change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.